Welcome back to Dr. Sucheta's interactive class. Today we'll see one of the topic which is very important with respect to pharmaceutical analysis. We are going to discuss today pharmaceutical dosage forms as tablets. If we classify the dosage forms, basically the broad classification we can do with respect to solid dosage forms, where tablets, capsules, powders and granules come under the tablet dosage form. Then liquid dosage form, where solutions, suspensions and emulsions comes. Whereas in case of soft dosage form, we can have ointment, liniment, capsule, patches, gels. And gaseous dosage form includes gases and aerosols. Now, regarding solid dosage forms, which is an basic and most commonly utilized pharmaceutical oral dosage form in the form of tablets. The first modern pharmaceutical medicine, which was founded in 1804 by Friedrich Turner, a German scientist, and in 1843 the British painter and inventor William Brackendahl was granted a patent for machine capable of shaping the pills. The device was capable of compressing the powder into tablet without use of adhesive. So that was the invention in 1843. Further, in 1938 by Shri Krishna Javer, where Tablets India Limited was one of the early pharma venture in India was founded. If we define the solid dosage form in the form of tablet, the tablet is a pharmaceutical oral dosage form or solid unit dosage form. They vary in shape, differ in size and depending upon amount of medicinal substances. It is most popular dosage form as 70% of total medicine suspended in the form of tablets. All these medicaments are available in tablet form except where it is difficult to formulate. Now, broad classification further regarding tablet is coated tablet and uncoated tablet. Uncoated tablets are generally a single layer tablet prepared by a single compression of granules or multi-layer of tablets consisting of parallel layers prepared by compressing different compositions of the granules. For example, paracetamol, where the content is single contained tablet where you are not coating with any other adhesive. Whereas in case of coated tablets, where these tablets are covered with one or more layer of mixture of substances like natural or synthetic resins, gums, sugar or flavoring agent. The reason behind the tablet coating is to mask the unpleasant taste and odor, to improve the appearance of tablet, to provide physical and chemical properties with increased shelf life. Mainly the types of coating utilized are sugar coating, film coating and trick coating. After having these different types of tablets, we can have different tests to check out the pharmaceutical dosage form, where the quality and quantity detection we can do. Here the first test given for solid dosage form, that is for tablets, is wet variation test, where weight of the tablets is measured routinely with help to ensure that the tablet amount is proper or constant. For example, paracetamol 500 milligram, if it is labeled, take 20 tablets of paracetamol, weigh individually, calculate average weight and compare individual weight of tablet to the average. If the variation is observed with respect to 5%, 7.5% or 10% depending upon average weight of the tablet, we can compare the data and we can allow the tablet for further test. Second test which was given under the heading of tablet is disintegration test, which is an measuring the ability of tablet to break down into smaller particles or granules to allow active drug to absorb in a body. So disintegration test is very important, where disintegration time also matters, where it is the time needed for the drug to break down the fragments under certain conditions. This particular test we will perform by taking 6 tablets in each of the single tube and dip it in a basket where 100 ml flask are there, where we provide the temperature like our body temperature with plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. The lift up of the basket from the fluid to observe the disintegration, whether it is completely carried out. For uncoated tablets also we can go in the similar way, where 6 tablets are taken and check out their disintegration type, and if 1 or 2 tablets fail to disintegrate completely, repeat the tablet test again for 12 tablets or 18 tablets to carry out further variation with respect to disintegration test. To carry out this disintegration test, here I have tried to show you the apparatus where you are having the place to keep the tablet along with the solvent, which you can dip in a beaker or a thermostat, where we can record and put the temperature over here and disintegration time, and we can check out how many tablets has been disintegrated and what was the time required for the tablet. Here I have enlisted for uncoated, sugar coated, film coated, dispersible tablet, effervescent tablet, modified release tablet, soluble tablet with respect to their medium, temperature and time required, ideal time required for the disintegration. So we can compare this data when we actually carry out the disintegration process as well as the time determination. Further test we can perform under the heading of tablet is uniformity of the content. This test is applicable to the tablets that contain 10 mg or less than 10 mg or less than 10% weight by weight of active ingredient, where we need to check out for the tablets containing 1 or more active ingredient, and this test is applicable for coated tablets, where we pull out and find out the active ingredient content of the tablet, whether it is in acceptable limit or not. Now, content of active ingredient. To determine the content of active ingredient, the method or assay has been given in pharmacopoeia. This assay we should need to follow to find out and calculate the active ingredient. If the result lies in a range of the content of the active ingredient stated in a monograph, the method is given in pharmacopoeia as well as in monograph, where the range is also given. This range is based on the requirement of 20 tablet or such other number may be indicated in monograph for the assay. Now we will look for different types of the tablet. Sugar coated tablet. In this process, the application of sugar based coating is given to the tablet so that it can be inhaled. Specifically, you can see the pictorial presentation over here. All of you might have seen these types of red coated tablets, iron tablets, brufen, pain relieving tablet, migraine relieving tablet, film coated tablets, where the glossy appearance you can't see over here. The film is thin layer of film is coated over the tablet, where you can easily swallow the tablet. For example, valsartan. Enteric coated tablet. This type of coating it is utilized where the tablet is protected core from disintegration in acid environment of the stomach, whereas it is soluble in basic pH in a small intestine. So enteric coated tablet is allowed to disintegrate after a long time in specific pH. For example, omeprazole, it is used to treat certain conditions where there is too much acid in the stomach, and erythromycin, which is used for tonsils, whooping cough. The next type of tablet is dispersible tablet. Yes, the pictorial presentation immediately correlate this with the Disprene, aspirin tablet, where the ad tells you that how immediately the disintegration has been happened with the minimum time parameter to give a relief for the patient. So it is the tablet which disintegrates in water or other liquid For example, aspirin, which is a pain relieving tablet. Yes, next one is modified release tablet. These tablets are prepared for the purpose of long duration action. So these tablets are need to release their active ingredient for prolonged period of time. So these are the such type of tablets. The shape or the size or the content is very small and they will disintegrate after a prolonged utilization of period. And the last one is prolonged release tablet, which come under same parameter, where the release of the medicament or the contained active ingredient has been extended over a period of time. Soluble tablets are uncoated tablets or film coated tablets. They are to be dissolved in water before utilizing. So you have to take the tablet, dissolve in water, and then you can put it into your body or in your mouth. Tablet for use in mouth. So these are usually the uncoated tablets, or you might have utilized the chewable tablets, which you can directly utilize, like vitamin C. Advantages of these tablets as an solid dosage form, where unpleasant taste can be masked by sugar coating, easily swallowed, easy to carry, handling and transportation is easy. They provide prolonged stability to medicament. The cost of production is relatively low. There are some disadvantages too for solid dosage form of tablet. Some drugs cannot be compressed because of their low density and amorphous nature. Tablets are absorbed more slowly than capsules, and slower acting, they may take longer time to work and bitter to test. Thank you. Stay tuned to upcoming video.